Imagine being able to earn profit, whether the price of crypto goes up or down. Sounds interesting, right? That's exactly what futures trading lets you do. In this video, I'm going to break down everything you need to know about how to start futures trading in crypto, even if you're totally a beginner. We'll cover the basics, walk through the trading interface, and by the end, you'll be ready to place your first trade. Plus, I'll share a bonus, a crypto exchange that doesn't require any KYC, so don't need to provide your ID or any other personal details. So without any delay, let's get into video. Alright, now let's dive into what is futures trading. Futures trading allows you to speculate on the future price of a cryptocurrency without actually owning it. Instead of buying Bitcoin, for example, you're agreeing to buy or sell it at a specific price in the future. The best part? You can profit whether the price goes up or down, depending on your prediction. If you think the price will rise, you go long. If you think it's going to drop, you go short. This flexibility makes futures trading super attractive for those looking to make moves in both bull and bear markets. But here's the catch. With the potential for higher profits also comes higher risk. Futures trading involves leverage, meaning you can control a larger position with a smaller amount of capital. For example, with 10x leverage, a $100 investment can control $1,000 worth of Bitcoin. While that sounds awesome, it also means your losses can add up quickly if the market moves against you. That's why it's important to understand the basics and manage your risk before jumping in. Now that you've got the basic concept of futures trading, let's talk about the exchange. For futures trading, I'm using BYDFI because personally I don't like sharing my private details with any exchange, and BYDFI is one of the best platforms that doesn't require any KYC, meaning no need to hand over your personal information. Plus, it offers super low fees, which makes it ideal for both beginners and advanced traders. Here's the best part: if you sign up through my referral link, you can earn up to $3,000 in rewards. And that's not all. I'm going to be launching a trading signal group soon, and if you join BYDFI using my link, you'll get free entry into that group. Now that you've got the tools, let's dive deeper into how to start your futures journey on BYDFI. Now, to get started with BYDFI, you'll first need to create an account. It's super simple and fast, especially since there's no KYC required. Head over to the BYDFI registration page, where you'll just need to enter your email and create a password. You'll also see an option to enter a referral code. If you use mine, 34MCPW, you'll unlock bonuses of up to $2,790 based on your deposits and trading volume. After entering your email and password, simply click on Get Started. And that's it. No lengthy verification process. No need to upload any documents. You're ready to dive straight into trading. Once your account is set up, the next step is to deposit funds so you can start trading. BYDFI offers several ways to deposit, including bank transfers, debit credit cards, and of course cryptocurrencies. To deposit funds, go to the deposit section on the platform. If you're depositing cryptocurrency, choose the coin you want to deposit, and the platform will provide you with a deposit address. Simply transfer your crypto to this address, and the funds will appear in your account shortly. Now that you're in the BYDFI futures trading interface, let's walk through the key components so you can start trading confidently. The first thing is leverage. In futures trading, leverage allows you to control a larger position size with a smaller amount of capital. On BYDFI, you'll see a leverage slider on the trading interface. This slider lets you choose how much leverage to use, ranging from 1x to up to 200x. For example, if you select 10x leverage for every $100 you invest, you control $1,000 worth of the asset. Be cautious though, because while leverage increases your potential profits, it also increases your risk. Start with a lower leverage if you're new to futures trading. When you're trading futures, BYDFI offers two margin options: combined margin and single margin. Combined margin. This mode pools your available balance across different contracts. It's more flexible and reduces the chances of liquidation, as it uses your entire balance to support any open position. This is a good choice for beginners as it provides more room for your trade to fluctuate before being liquidated. Single margin. This mode only uses the balance allocated to a specific contract, meaning each position you open has its own separate margin. If you're looking to manage your risk separately for each trade, single margin can be more suitable. But keep in mind, this option may lead to quicker liquidations since the margin is isolated. Once you've adjusted your leverage and chosen your margin type, you're ready to place a trade. On the right side of the interface, you can choose whether to enter a long position or a short position. You can set your entry price using either a market order or a limit order. Don't forget to set your stop loss and take profit levels to protect your capital and lock in profits. Now that you've got a solid understanding of the BYDFI interface and how to start futures trading, it's time to put that knowledge to use. I highly recommend starting with a demo account to practice your skills without risking any real money. In the next video, I'll be diving into strategies for trading futures so you can maximize your profits and minimize your risks. Stay tuned for that. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss any updates. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.